Namaste, good day, Adab. Thank you for choosing Singer Fashion Maker. I'm Ritu Shah and Singer Fashion expert Renu is with me. Hi Renu.
Hello.
We will know about Singer Fashion Maker with help. Right Renu?
Sure.
This product of yours is a multi-used and very comfortable sewing machine through which you can do many decorative works by sitting at home. Firstly, let us view what are the main parts of this fashion maker. This is a foot controller. Foot controller gets connected by the side plug of this machine. Then it goes to the wall socket. Now switch on the machine through power switch. This is pressure foot lifter which is at the back of the machine and it is used to lift or down the pressure bar. When you start sewing for keeping clothes under pressure foot or when you finish sewing to free the clothes, you can just lift it. After sewing, cut the threads. This is pattern selector dial. Whatever pattern you want to select that and to select button as well, it is generally used. Do you want to make the stitch small or big? Just see. Stitch length dial. This helps to adjust your sewing small or big. To fix your sewing, just use reverse lever. This is just ahead of the machine. This is hand wheel. This is used to fit the needle at top or bottom by hand. This is extension table. Hold it with a little pressure and pull towards left. When you sew difficult parts like salwar ponche or to shorten the length of the pants or to sew clothes for children, you can leave this extension table and in few seconds you can transform your machine from a flatbed to free arm machine. Moreover, here you can keep your machine accessories in a very comfortable manner. We will now show you how we can wrap the thread in bobbin. Keep the thread on spool pin. Then make it free from spool like this. Now pull the thread with your right hand and keep in front of guide. Adjust the thread head with two sides of bobbin in such a way that it can come out from the middle part and bobbin rift. Now keep the bobbin on bobbin winding spindle. Please remember, bobbin winding spindle must be pushed towards right. This is very important. By this attempt, when you wrap the thread in bobbin, your needle wouldn't move up and down. Now fit the tension disc between 4 and 5. Hold the thread head and again press foot controller so that thread will start to be filled into bobbin. When thread will be filled in, it will stop automatically. To leave bobbin from machine, push both spindle and bobbin towards left. Why so? Answer is so easy. If you don't do so, then needle won't be up and down when you press foot controller. If you do so, then needle will be adjusted with sewing position. Now let the bobbin free from winding spindle and cut the thread. Well, it's very easy to fit the bobbin. But if you are fitting it for the first time, then it may be a little difficult for you. Therefore, carefully observe all the steps shown to you so that there will be no mistake. To fit or open the bobbin, turn the hand wheel towards you so that needle can move upward like this. Open the extension table from machine and open the flap. Now hold the bobbin case with clip and leave it out. Now free the bobbin case through the cut like this. Now fix the bobbin case again at its place in this way. Shut the flap and again fit the extension table. Fix the thread in spool pin and fit the stopper. Turn the hand wheel and bring the take-up lever to top position. Take the thread from left direction and move it through number 1 and number 2. Take U-turn from number 3 to number 4. Means turn from take-up lever and reach to number 5. Now in this way, insert the thread in needle. Before sewing, move the bobbin thread upward. With your left hand, hold only upper thread. Now turn the hand wheel towards you. By this, needle will move upward with the thread. Please remember that hand wheel must move ahead. When you turn the hand wheel, needle will pull the thread lightly. The thread of the bobbin will be pulled upwards through the hole. After pulling the thread of the bobbin, fit 2 threads under pressure foot behind. Now let's see the process of adding the thread in machine. First, turn the hand wheel towards you and lift the needle on its top position. Do this until the needle doesn't move to bottom again. Loosen the needle clamp with the help of screwdriver and open the needle. Screwdriver is available in your accessory box. When you fit the needle, must remember to keep its flat side inside like this. With your machine, there are many pressure feet. Some pressure feet are given with your new machine much before. But for decorative stitch, you can purchase special pressure feet from Singer Outlet. Ruffler foot attachment and flower stitch attachment are 2 additional pressure feet which can be fitted in all fashion maker machines. By these additional pressure feet, you can get more varieties in your creative stitches. Some feet can be fitted and separated easily, whereas little are fixed with screw. To make it free, screwdriver can be used. Now we will see how pressure feet get changed. Behind your machine, there is a release lever. Press the release lever and foot can be separated. Along with pressure foot pin, keep the foot in foot holder seed needle plate. Bring the press foot lifter below so that foot holder can be shut on foot properly. The feet which are fixed with screw before, it is important for them to fit the new foot. Just leave the foot from machine. Use screwdriver to free the foot fully from the machine. Set the new foot in its place. Before starting the work, don't forget to check your stitch. Press the clothes under pressure foot, keep it below and press the foot controller after selecting your stitch. And yes, remember that before leaving the clothes from machine, you have to turn the hand wheel anti-clockwise till the needle is not coming to the top and the needle does not start going below. To leave the clothes, lift the pressure foot lifter. For more and more sewing, set the thread tension dial between 3 and 4. Shell stitch and scalp stitch are the most popular and decorative stitches. They change the theory of how clothes crafts or home decorations should look. Turn stitch length dial suitably according to fabric and its use. When you go for decorative stitches, you can use fabric pasting so that they can be saved from odd shape. For designing beautiful decorative pieces, use ribbon, trims, polyester and rayon threads. These are some decorative stitches sample. As you know, nowadays sewing a button is not like just making hole for buttons. Buttons are used for more decoratives. For example, home screens, mobile covers, cushion covers, handbags. It means you can create a full world of decoratives. There are 4-step buttonholes here. Fit the length between 0 and 1. For making 4 buttonholes in your machine, set pattern selector through step 1. Attach button foot hole. Mark a sign on clothes with fabric marker so that you can know where to sew the buttonhole exactly. Sew the first step of buttonhole. Fit the needle away from clothes and turn pattern selector towards step 2. Then you start sewing. When step 2 is finished, turn the dial to step 3. Now start sewing again. After sewing once, select step 4 and go for sewing. With Singer Fashion Maker, it's even easy to fix button. So, with its help, you can do this work. To sew the button, first fix button foot. Set stitch length dial to 0. With focus to buttonholes, set the distance of zigzag pattern. Under button foot, set clothes and button in such a way that 2 buttonholes stay between foot. Now turn the hand wheel and check whether needle is moving between 2 buttonholes. Let's start sewing. Now rest 2 holes like this. If you want to fit zip on the fabric, what will you do? Let's see. Bring pattern selector to this position. According to the thickness of clothes, set stitch length control between 1 and 4. Fit zipper foot in the machine. Zipper foot can be attached in right or left, according to in which side you are going to sew. You need to lift the pressure foot, and zipper foot is to be pushed under pressure foot. Keep the foot below and start. And yes, for sewing cord or thread on your clothes, you can use this foot. Your fashion maker is ready for ruffle or mending as well. Select 3-step zigzag pattern and the width of stitch to be set at its maximum, whereas length of the stitch point should be in between 5 and 1. For best results, keep the foot center at the straight line of tear center. Oh, where is tear now? If you have dining hoop, then it will help you for better work. Let us see what all things your fashion maker can do for you. Through Fashion Maker, you can design picot easily. Freehand embroidery, patchwork, monogram, blind stitch, quilting, and to decorate your home, you can design many decorative items. We hope your Singer fashion maker and you will now be friends forever. Now I'm going to tell you certain things which you may face at the time of sewing. At the time of sewing, if you see threads are gathering under clothes, then keep in mind that you should set tension disc on the machine. If upper threads are cutting up, then keep threads again in the machine and adjust thread stretching. If bottom threads are cutting up, what to do? To loosen the below stretches, just decrease numbers of the tension disc. Problems of skipped stitches? Take a new needle suitable to threads and clothes. Repeatedly needles are broken, so fit the new needle properly and don't forget to select right foot. Problems of loosened stitches? Please check threading and adjust the stretching in a proper way. Gathering or tightness of clothes? Please select sharper needle. Adjust again the length of the stitches and thread stretching. If stitches are not alike, qualitative threads are to be used. If machine sounds, use Singer multi-purpose oil. So now you sit at home and be a perfect fashion designer and get unlimited praises from your family and friends. Because now you have Singer's world-famous easy-to-use fashion maker and all the information regarding its uses. So friends, add fashion at home with your fashion maker.